Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Bremer Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bremer.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Bremer Bank. In order to log into your account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to select your account type. Just go ahead and select from whether your account is a personal, business or wealth management account and then select which online system you would like to use. After selecting both of these, just click on the login button and you will be taken to your selected login portal. Now you can go ahead and type in your user ID and click on the continue button to continue logging into your account. You will then be asked to continue with your security code. So once you click on this button, you will be sent a one-time code either on your phone number or your email address. Then you can simply use this code to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Bremer Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.